Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy Miggles meme coin. Now Miggles is a meme coin on the Base network, and in the past we have seen that meme coins on Base network and few other networks are doing a pretty decent job. And if we talk about circulating supply, 100% of the supply is under circulation, which is a good thing. Now you can buy Miggles on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange, and I will be showing you both the options. So if you want to go ahead and buy Miggles, you can buy it on Mexc Global. Now if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can sign up on Mexc Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8,000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexc Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So there is no buying fee and the selling fee is only 0.02%. Now, once you create an account on Mexc Global, you will need to go ahead and buy USDT or transfer USDT to Mexc Global. Now, once you have USDT, simply head to spot and search for pair Miggles to USDT. Now, once you are here, simply scroll down and there are two types of order. One is a market order. Market order meaning you go ahead and buy the Miggles meme coin at the current market price, and limit meaning, let's say if you want to buy it at 0.08, then Mexc Global will wait for the price of Miggles to fall down to 0.08 and then your order would be executed. So simply put in this price and put in the amount of USDT that you want to go ahead and invest. And within 10 to 15 seconds, once the order is executed, this Miggles meme coin would be reflected in your Mexc Global spot account. Now let's say if you don't want to use a centralized exchange, you can also use decentralized exchange. Simply head to Aerodrome Finance, connect any EVM compatible wallet. So in this case, I have connected my MetaMask wallet. And over here, you can go ahead and swap ETH for Miggles. Now simply go over here and search for Miggles. At times there might be some scam tokens, so you have to be very careful. So in order to avoid this, what you can do is you can head to CoinMarketCap, copy the token contact address, head back to Aerodrome Finance. Over here on the top, you can go ahead and paste the token contact address. So simply go ahead and click on the first one. Both of them are the same one. Now let's say if you want to swap 0.002 ETH for Miggles, it will calculate the best exchange rate. And once you get the best rate, you can simply go ahead and click on swap ETH for Miggles. Within 10 seconds, this transaction would be completed and you would be getting Miggles meme coin in your EVM wallet. So it is this simple to buy Mr. Miggles meme coin. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.